O'Hare International Airport, once the crown gem of air travel, is today plagued by traffic, outdated buildings, and rising costs. A $12 billion renovation project has been initiated by the city of Chicago to update one of the busiest airports in the world. However, the project has obstacles before it even gets off, such as building delays, soaring expenses, and airline resistance. Will these challenges keep O'Hare in the past and unable to fulfill modern expectations? Or will this massive cost push the airport into the future of aviation? O'Hare Airport stands as one of the biggest airports in the world. Why, you ask? Because of its insane volume of 80 million passengers every single year. It is now more than just a transportation hub. Rather, it serves as a crucial gateway connecting Chicago with cities worldwide. It trails only Atlanta's Hartsfield-Jackson, Dallas-Fort Worth, Denver, and LAX in terms of traffic. Beneath these striking figures, however, is a serious problem: outdated infrastructure, claustrophobic terminals, and amenities that are out of date with modern travel needs. To address these challenges, the City of Chicago initiated the O'Hare 21 project as far back as 2018. A master plan to make O'Hare a sleek, world-class airport. Budgeted at $6.1 billion upon inception, the plan is meant to renew the airport with new terminals, advanced technology, and improved passenger flow. It has been designed to give O'Hare capacity and functionality to make it adequately capable of handling the dynamics that characterize modern air traffic with ease. What's shocking is that $6.1 billion has doubled to $12 billion. The COVID-19 outbreak-related delays and labor constraints, along with a dramatic rise in material costs, are mostly to blame for this. The project timeline has also been rescheduled to 2034, which is 8 years earlier than the original 2026 completion date. Not only is it expensive, but it also indicates how such a transformation really pulls the city towards both financial and logistical difficulties. In order to control eye-watering costs, Chicago and its major airlines decided in May 2024 to build the satellite concourse before the global terminal. Plans call for the use of affordable materials and small design modifications to maintain high standards of quality and passenger experience in spite of growing costs. All changes must be approved by both parties. O'Hare 21's most significant change is the transformation of Terminal 2, which is over 59 years old and is being replaced by the new global terminal. The two-story, massive 2.2 million square foot Y-shaped building will totally redefine the patterns and capacity of the airport. The global terminal is intended to combine international and domestic flights under one roof, removing the need for passengers to transit several terminals for connecting flights, hence considerably streamlining the travel experience and reducing transfer times. The global terminal is designed by renowned architect Jean Gang, whose concept is inspired by the Chicago River. The goal of this Y-shaped terminal is to serve as more than just a practical building. It is intended to be an architectural element that binds visitors to the city's personality and energy. The design features highlight open, natural, light-filled areas that create a friendly atmosphere and are a reflection of Chicago's special look. One of the main features of the new terminal is its advanced baggage handling systems. They would be able to accurately handle hundreds of bags every hour. This would in turn cut down on baggage claim times and the possibility of misplaced luggage. New customs facilities will also streamline international arrivals, using cutting-edge technology to speed up processing while maintaining security. These improvements are expected to reduce wait times and make customs more accessible and less stressful for travelers. The global terminal will provide 35 new gates, allowing for a major increase of airline operations and passenger handling capacity. The versatile designs of Satellite Concourse 1, which will add 19 extra gates, can handle both wide-body and narrow-body aircraft, making it more efficient for gate assignments and flexible enough to adjust to changing airline needs. This is expected to be ready by 2028. After the satellite concourses are finished, the work will transfer to the main global terminal. Instead of implementing a single, massive changeover, this sequential approach allows for a gradual transition. The global terminal is expected to be completed in 2032, with construction expected to begin in 2026. Chicago hopes to have interim relief in place before starting the enormous global terminal, which would take a lot of space and resources, by completing the satellite concourses first. An underground tunnel system to connect the new global terminal to the satellite concourses is an essential aspect of the O'Hare 21 project. By facilitating fast baggage and passenger transfers between the concourses and the main terminal, this tunnel seeks to optimize passenger circulation. Since the construction must be completed without interfering with current activities, constructing this tunnel beneath an airport poses difficult technical obstacles. This involves excavation and tunneling beneath active airfield regions, which necessitates complex structural engineering to protect the stability of the airport above. In order to protect adjacent structures and airstrips, the construction crew must preserve the airport's structural integrity by addressing soil stability and reducing vibration effects. 2 new air traffic control towers will be built to handle the expected increase in flight volume by improving supervision and communication throughout the redesigned runways. These towers will assist air traffic controllers in better monitoring and guiding planes, which will lessen runway congestion. The initiative will use improved customs and border protection (CBP) technologies to expedite foreign arrivals, cutting down on incoming travelers' wait times. To process passengers more rapidly and safely, these systems will make use of biometric identification, expedited security checks, and other cutting-edge technological solutions. Even with its staggering price tag, the O'Hare 21 project is expected to have an exciting economic impact. But before we move on, I'd like to ask you a small favor. If you like this content, please take a second to like this video and subscribe to the channel. Over 98% of you watch the videos without subscribing. Imagine what we could accomplish if everyone subscribed. It costs you nothing, but it makes a huge difference to us. So, is it done? Great, thank you so much. The Illinois Economic Policy Institute projects that it will generate an estimated $8.4 billion in economic activity by 2033. It is anticipated that this enormous boost will not only help Chicago, but also have an impact on Illinois and the Midwest. The development will promote tourism, business travel, conventions, and attract revenue for local hotels, restaurants, and other travel-related businesses. An upgraded O'Hare Airport makes Chicago a more attractive venue for international gatherings, enhancing its standing as a top business and entertainment destination. It is estimated that during the construction phase, the project will create around 95,000 jobs. These jobs range from construction and engineering positions to specialized roles that support complex systems and infrastructure. This influx of employment provides a substantial economic injection for local workers, suppliers, and contractors. Beyond actual building, jobs will spread down to nearby companies that provide laborers with housing, food services, supplies, and other necessities. The effect of employment radiates through a number of industries, sustaining local economies and increasing purchasing power in neighborhoods all around the city. An additional 1,600 permanent jobs, including 400 at the airport itself, will be created by the O'Hare renovation. These occupations include everything from customer service and airport operations to high-tech vocations overseeing security, luggage handling, and air traffic control systems. As part of O'Hare 21's modernization plan, Chicago is adding new food and retail outlets, as well as a $3.5 million public art program to highlight the city's evolving local culture and talent. Local companies, including iconic venues like the Hampton Social and Bar Siena, now service travelers and offer a distinct Chicago eating experience, with options ranging from premium American cuisine to classic Italian cuisine. A renovated O'Hare is also anticipated to attract additional airlines and flights, increasing employment prospects in the aviation industry and associated fields. As the number of passengers increases, there will also be a notable increase in jobs in retail, food service, and airport maintenance, which will help secure O'Hare's position as a leading employer in the area for the long run. The O'Hare 21 project has both enormous potential and difficult challenges in store for the future. As prices rise, questions linger about whether the final design will remain loyal to its initial concept and whether additional delays, particularly for the tunnel and second satellite concourse, would delay construction. However, if it is accomplished, O'Hare has the potential to regain its position as a major international aviation hub and become a model of modern, effective, and sustainable air travel. Let us know what you think in the comments below, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel.